Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply an e-visa to Anguilla if you really need one. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, many countries nowadays are going for this e-visa processing. It's very easy to apply and it boosts tourism and many other things. So first of all, not everyone needs a visa to this country. This is a British overseas territory. Okay. Now they have given the steps, three easy steps: apply online, confirm, pay, and print. That's it. And who should apply? If you're citizen of the national of a country here. So if you're eligible to apply, first of all, you're going to travel for business pleasure and you're going to stay for 90 days or less. But there's an exception. You don't need to apply if you hold a valid visa or residence permit to enter US, UK, or Canada. Okay. A valid US, UK, Canada visa or residence permit can be used to enter Anguilla. Wow, that's good. So just click here. Okay. Now they have given the list and also if you need a visa. So for example, hmm, is there any find option? Yeah, that's good. If you're an Indian national, you need a visa. Okay. All right. So let's go. But yes, there is an exception. If you have like that US, UK, Canada visa or residence permit, you don't need. But anyway, let's say you don't have. So you'll come here, click on apply now. Okay. First is disclaimer. Just want to clarify that neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. So guys, on the first page, first you need to accept the disclaimer, then applicant info. Which type of visa you want? I select multiple entry. Refer then your applicant information. It should match your passport. So I'm just putting sample. Of course, I won't be submitting and paying the fee. Do you know ever been known by any other name? I selected no, but if yes, and all this information is sample, guys. It's not real. Date of birth. You do it as per your own case. This is sample. Country of citizenship. Country of birth. Do you hold or do you ever held or have you ever held any other citizenship? I select no, but if you have, definitely. Passport type, country that has issued, issue date, email address and phone number. They will send it. So I'll go through it and then I'll see you in the next screen. Okay, so after that, it's gonna ask for your personal information. Okay, and then it's asking your address. So I'm just filling up. Oh no, if I'm Ontario, Canada, it will not. I will say photo. It's not saying mandatory, but I'll see if I can bypass this. If not, I'll try to. Relationship status, I put single. Do you have any dependent? I select no. Employment. Are you currently employed? If you select yes, it will ask where. But this is a sample video, so I'll just select no to avoid answering this question. And let's see if I can go to next one. No. Yeah, because it's asking for, yeah, these two. Let me see if I can bypass these two and then I'll see you in the next screen. Okay, guys, now we are on this stage. Application info when you are traveling. Let's say I'm traveling on 31st March. When I am departing, purpose of visit, tell us more. So provide full details. I'm just putting sample. Accommodation type. Let's say stay at a hotel. Provide full address. I'm just doing sample. Sponsor, do you have a sponsor? No. Okay. Now we'll go to the next screen. Now eligibility questionnaire. Of course, I won't be submitting because next time I have to do the payment. But let's go through this last screen that we have. Have you been in Angola past 10 years? I selected no. If you have entered in illegally, no. For either Angola, any other country, have you ever refused visa entry denied? Just read these questions. Have you been to any other country past 2 years? No. If you have, then definitely select yes. For suspended involvement in war, crime, genocide, no. Involved in support, encourage terrorist activity. Have you been a member of given support to Russia, which is not being considered extremism? And all these questions. So answer them like as per your situation, and then click on submit, and then you'll go for the payment. And from there, it is gonna take you. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.